Are you looking for the best AI-powered free apps for your phone? In 2024, the world of mobile technology is advancing by leaps and bounds, offering a myriad of incredible applications that will revolutionize the way you live, work, and play. Let's delve into the top AI-powered free apps that will shape your digital experience in the not-so-distant future. First up, we have Smart Health, an app that will become your ultimate health companion. Powered by cutting-edge AI algorithms, this app tracks your daily activity, heart rate, and sleep patterns to provide you with personalized health insights. Whether you want to stay fit, lose weight, or improve your overall well-being, Smart Health has got your back. Get ready to reach your health goals with this remarkable app by your side. Next on the list is Smart Brain, a mind-blowing app that enhances your cognitive abilities and boosts your mental fitness. Utilizing AI technology, Smart Brain offers personalized brain training, exercises that sharpen your memory, improve focus, and enhance problem-solving skills. With Smart Brain, you can unlock your brain's maximum potential and become a mental powerhouse. Say goodbye to forgetfulness and hello to a sharper and more agile mind. Are you tired of struggling with language barriers during your travels? Say hello to LingoMaster, a language translation app powered by AI. With LingoMaster, you can communicate effortlessly in any language. Just speak or type your message and let AI work its magic. LingoMaster translates your words in real time, making conversations with people from different cultures a breeze. Navigate confidently through foreign lands and with LingoMaster as your trusty language companion. For all the music lovers out there, Mellow DJ is the app you've been waiting for. This AI-powered music app creates personalized playlists based on your mood, preferences, and even the weather outside. With Mellow DJ, you can discover new songs, rediscover old favorites, and enjoy a tailored music experience like never before. Let the power of AI revolutionize the way you listen to music on your phone. Last but not least, we present Smart Wallet. An AI-assisted finance app that simplifies your financial management. With Smart Wallet, you can effortlessly track your expenses, set budgets, and receive personalized financial tips. Say goodbye to financial stress and hello to a secure and organized financial future. Let Smart Wallet help you make smart financial decisions and achieve your goals. These are just a few of the incredible AI-powered free apps that will dominate the tech landscape in 2024. From health and fitness to language translation, cognitive training, music discovery, and financial management, these apps will transform the way you utilize your phone. Embrace the power of AI and step into a world where technology enhances your everyday life. Download these amazing apps today and unlock a world of possibilities.